There are thousands of different headphones on the market, and it can be tough to find the perfect pair for you. At Digital Trends, we spend thousands of hours listening to hundreds of headphones, and from that we've developed the definitive guide for buying your ideal pair. Look, in a perfect world, you'd go down to the store, you'd try on 100 different pairs of headphones, and you'd find the perfect pair for you. But realistically, you're probably going to be buying your pair of headphones on a site like Amazon. To substitute your own hands-on experience, you're obviously going to have to rely on someone else's. So make sure to take a look at expert reviews from sources that do a lot of listening to a lot of different headphones. We review tons of headphones, and one of the things we think about a lot is comfort. So make sure that in our review we say that the headphones are comfortable, and it's not a bad idea to check out other sites and make sure they also say that the headphones you're looking at are comfortable. In terms of design, you really have three main options when it comes to headphones. There are the largest headphones, which are over ears. They encapsulate your ear. Typically they have better bass response, and they're a little bit better and more comfortable if you're listening to music all day. Then we move down to on-ear headphones. On-ear headphones are a little bit more compact than over-ear headphones. They don't fully enclose your ear, but they do offer better bass response and a little bit more dynamic sound than our smallest option, which are in-ear headphones. Now, in-ear headphones come in a variety of shapes and sizes. They're great for if you're on the go, if you're working out, places that you don't want to have a bulkier pair of headphones with you. So when you're looking for a pair of headphones, consider the place that you're going to be listening to music. Is it somewhere that you want to have a tiny, compact pair of headphones, or somewhere that you can sort of relax with a nice, big, plush pair of headphones over your ears? The next big thing you need to think about is whether or not you're going to go with wireless headphones. So a lot of modern cell phones do not have headphone jacks, and seeing as a lot of us listen to music on the go, that's going to mean you're going to want to go for a pair of wireless headphones. Wired headphones typically offer a little bit higher fidelity than wireless headphones, and you don't have to worry about batteries. So if your phone has a headphone jack, you're gonna get better sound quality with wired headphones, but you have to deal with the wire, and for some people, that's just inconvenient. One feature that's really important to some people, especially travelers, is noise cancellation. So companies like Bose have built their entire brand around active noise cancellation and making everything around you sound silent when you're on the go. Depending on how loud your environment is or how much you travel, that might matter more or less to you. If you travel a lot, we highly recommend spending the money on a pair of nice noise canceling headphones. If you travel a little bit less and you're looking to save a little bit of money, you can get a pair of in-ear headphones with some Comply foam tips, and that provides what we call passive noise isolation, which will basically plug up your ears and block out the outside world, not quite as well as active noise cancellation, but it will do something. In general, over-ear headphones will block out a fair amount of sound. On-ear headphones, though, you're a bit out of luck. You're gonna hear the outside world. If you're someone who talks on the phone a lot, or someone who likes using the voice assistant on your phone, consider buying a pair of headphones with an inline mic. If you're more active than most, we highly recommend you get a pair of headphones with an IPX rating. That means that they're rated to be waterproof or dustproof, and it means that you can sweat in your headphones without worrying about them. Another way to not worry about headphones is to get what we like to call burner headphones. Buy a couple pairs of cheap headphones on Amazon. We have an excellent list of headphones under $50. And you don't have to worry about your headphones. When you lose them, you can just replace them with another cheap pair. When it comes to sound quality, think about the types of music you actually listen to, and definitely do your homework. Any quality review will give you a clear insight into a headphone's sound signature. Some are neutral, many boost the bass, and others deliver clear mids at the expense of the low end. In general, when it comes to headphones, there are not really any secrets. Look for headphones that are making many people's best of lists, and you're probably good to go. That said, if you find a pair of headphones that you really like the look of and there aren't very many reviews, definitely be cautious. In the end, you do get what you pay for, but there are some great options for people in any budget category. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to post any questions you have about buying headphones in the comment section below, and there's also a link to our headphone buying guide there as well.